Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a paracord knife completely out of paper. Be sure to hit that like button because it really helps me out. And of course the only thing not made out of paper was the paracord handle, but that's basically it. So let's get right into it. So I started with 8 sheets of cardstock and then I hardened them into one sheet of 8 thick paper. All I did to make the hardened paper was simply spread glue across the paper and then stack them up on top of each other. So for me, the easiest way to make the template was to tape a piece of paper onto my screen and then simply trace out 3 different pieces. If you have a printer, that would work a lot easier, but that's basically it. So now that I had the 3 pieces cut out, all I was going to do now is Sharpie all of the pieces and then glue them together. So now that I had my paracord, all I did was use a simple wrapping technique to wrap the handle and then using a lighter to cut off the edges. So that's pretty much it for this build. It was a lot of fun, and I do plan to make the rest of the new CSGO knives. So if you want to see that, make sure to leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will be back next time.